Welcome back to Rachel Be the Healthy We. Today we're going to do some Valentine's Day nail art. I've already pre-painted my nails red and gold. These are the products that I used, 2 coats on each nail. We're going to use a stamping plate and some white polish to go ahead and put stripes on the gold nails. I'll do this process for you completely, and then you're going to want to go ahead and repeat it 4 times total. When you have some deeper wells on your stamping plate, make sure that the polish is fully saturated inside there so you get a good transfer. Also, a quick note, I did not use gel polish in this process because I don't necessarily want to have Valentine's Day nails until my next fill. So the nice thing about this is after I do my nails and put on a top coat, I can use acetone to remove it and switch up my art whenever I want. So again, we're going to go ahead and put our stripes on, and we're going to repeat that 4 times. Make sure you're cleaning both your stamper and your stamping plate between each application so you get nice clean lines. Another trick is to go ahead and use some acetone and an art brush to clean up your cuticles. You can also do this when you're just laying polish on your nails without stamping as well. Good way to make it look like you stayed in the lines. Now we're going to go ahead and add the art detail, which is some little hearts on strings. I'm doing this in a bright red, and I'm doing that to all the gold nails with a white overlay. So you'll repeat that process 4 times total. Stamping's great for people who maybe aren't very ambidextrous, and you can actually get a nice, clean looking, non-dominant hand so your artwork looks tight on both hands. Good way for do-it-yourselfers at home to get it done. Now we're going to do our gold dots. This is going to be on all the red nails, so we're going to repeat this process 6 times total. Once we've completed this process on all the red nails, you can put a top coat and you are done, and you have some really cute Valentine's Day nails to enjoy until you're ready to take it off and do your next project. Thanks for watching.